If you'd like to know how to make this face mask, you've definitely come to the right spot. It follows the guidelines that are set out by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and it's very simplified. I made a very simple design, and it takes less than 10 minutes.
The secret to having a well-fitting mask really is having the material cut on the bias. That means cut the material on the grain line that is diagonal to the grain line. In my case, this is a bandana and I folded it diagonally and I'm sewing parallel to the fold mark. Turn it right side out and then make 2 pleats by folding in and out and pin them in place. After you make the pleats, cut and zigzag along the short edges, or you could serge too. Take this edge and fold it in about 3/4 of an inch. Then sew a straight stitch right here. This is going to make the channel that our elastic is going to go through. After you do that on both sides, then it's time to string the elastic through the casing. I used elastic that was about 8 inches long, and then I tied it into a knot, and then I hid it inside the casing just by pulling it through and just leaving it right in the middle there. And then once you do the other side, it's finished. So here it is, and here is how you wear it. And oh yeah, this is the stuff you're going to need if you want to make it yourself.
Looking at it now, it probably could have been, I could have made it a little bit shorter, maybe like an inch shorter, but it does fit pretty good and it does the purpose, and it is up to the standards set out by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos. I'm all about upcycling fashion and crafts and sewing, just like making things better.